What's up guys, this is TampaTec and I'm going to show you how to install this 44-inch ceiling fan light with remote. It comes in 5 different styles and each fan comes with 2 color options. It comes with everything you're going to need to install except for the tools. It comes with 2 mounting options, a down rod mount or an angled ceiling mount which angles up to 10 degrees. Down rod mount is best suited for ceilings 8 feet or higher. Before installing, go to your circuit breaker and turn off the circuit breaker switch to that room, then confirm that circuit is turned off. Step 2. Remove the mounting bracket by removing the 2 mounting screws from the canopy. Retain the mounting bracket screws for later use. Installing the mounting bracket to the outlet box in the ceiling. Step 3. Remove the down rod clip and the down rod pin from the down rod. Then loosen, but do not remove, the 2 set screws at the top of the yoke. Step 4. Insert the down rod through the canopy and yoke cover. Feed the wires and the braided cable from the fan through the down rod. Step 5. Insert the down rod into the yoke and reinstall the down rod pin and down rod clip. Then retighten the 2 set screws. With the wiring extended out of the down rod, measure 8 inches, then cut the access wires. Step 6. Lift the down rod into the mounting bracket. Rotate the down rod until the tab in the mounting bracket is seated in the slot in the down rod ball. Rotate the fan until it falls into place. It should not rotate after that. Step 7. Place the receiver in the mounting bracket. With the flat side up, prepare for wiring. The receiver will rest directly on top of the down rod. For installation in Canada only, you must install the metal braided cable to the brace inside your ceiling, as seen in this picture. A secondary support screw is needed to meet Canadian building code. Use the wire connectors to connect the wiring. Connect the white wire from the receiver to the white wire to the fan motor. This is labeled motor. Connect the blue wire from the receiver, labeled light, to the blue wire from the fan motor. Connect the black wire from the receiver, labeled motor, to the black wire from the fan motor. Then on the other side of the receiver, connect the white AC wire to the white wire in the outlet box in the ceiling. Next, connect the black wire from the receiver, labeled AC, and connect that to the black wire in the outlet box. Connect the green ground wire from the outlet box to the green wire from the fan motor using the ground screw. Step 12. Place the J slot of the canopy cover onto the mounting bracket screws and rotate clockwise. Secure the canopy. Step 13. Insert the blade through the slot in the side of the motor assembly. Align the holes with one blade with the 3 screw holes in the underside of the motor assembly. Secure the 3 blade screws and the blade washers. Repeat this. Step 14. Remove one of the fitter plate screws. Install the light pan. Line up the holes and then turn clockwise. Tighten all the screws. Connect the 9-pin connector to the light. Make sure it is secure. Then remove one of the screws from the light pan. Install the light kit. Line up the holes and turn clockwise. And then install that screw that you removed. Tighten all the screws on the light kit, but do not over tighten. Step 16. Insert the glass bowl and turn clockwise to secure. Step 17. Remove the battery door using a flathead screwdriver. Insert the 2 CR2032 batteries into the remote. The positive pole of the battery should face up. The remote and the fan were synced at the factory, so do not press the learn button. Secure the back battery door. Step 18 is optional. Take the remote control wall bracket, mount it on the wall using the 2 mounting screws. Step 19. go to the circuit breaker or fuse box and turn on the power for that room. Last, go to the room and turn on the switch for the ceiling fan light. In warmer weather, push the reverse switch to the left, which will result in a downward airflow creating a wind chill effect. In cooler weather, push the reverse switch to the right, which will result in an upward airflow that can help move the stagnant hot air off the ceiling. The remote control has two unique features: breeze and home shield. Breeze switches the fan speed from low to medium as if you're outside and feeling a natural breeze. The home icon will turn on and off the lights to show outside people that someone's home. If your remote control does not work, to resync the remote, switch the power to the fan off and then back on again. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the Learn button located in the battery compartment for 5 seconds. The fan will turn on at a low speed and the light will turn off. This confirms the syncing process was successful. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this video helped you out with your purchase. Thanks for watching.